Hey guys, I'm going to make a shift knob today out of a Boss coffee can. I guess you're coming along with me again. See you soon. So today, we're going to make a gear knob out of this Boss coffee. So the first step is you got to poke a hole in the bottom. And you got to drain all the contents out. And then it's best to clean it up after. So now I'm just going to try and find what thread pitch this is. And apparently it's a 10 by 1.25. I haven't really thought how I'm going to attach it yet. I might just thread the epoxy or get a nut which is a thread pitch for it. So yeah, I've decided to take the Civic out today and get on this little supply run. Nothing much, just a Civic. Used to be fully built, but now she's a stocker. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you, or do you not think so? Cause I've been thinking about forever. So the original plan was to find a nut which would match this thread, which is 10 by 1.25, but that's kind of impossible, so I'm just going to have to stick to our tap and die sets and just thread straight into the resin. So this is the resin we're going to be using, fiberglass resin, and then you also need the catalyst for it. Whoops. And that is 1325 and 680. Let's hope this works. So to figure out what size hole you need to drill at the bottom, you're going to want to try and find the tap size. Let's hope you can see that. Not really, so there's 10. 1.25, that's the size that we need. Now you're just going to have to try and match a drill bit to try and make that fit. Yeah, I think it's going to have to be the biggest one. This might be cheating, but I'm just going to switch to one of these bits. Smoothen it up as well. No, I don't like you, I just thought you were cool enough to kick it. Got a beach house I can sell you in Idaho. Since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute, that's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly it, though I'm lying down thinking. There you go. Look at that clean hole ready for resin. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly blow all the air out, all the water out I meant.
I remember, how could I forget how you feel? You were my first time, a new feel. It won't ever get old.
So to pour the fiberglass resin into the can, we're going to need to make a little funnel from this. So I'm probably going to do this in stages, not fill it all the way up so it can actually dry. I'll probably just make your way up slowly.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come close. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I sometimes wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you when it should be.
Just now going to mix it through.
Need to understand nothing, go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place, time and place.
Day 2.
Yep, hey guys, it's a new day. Had to wait for the resin to dry. It said it should take 24 hours to cure. So I'm gonna just get started right now. So here we have the can. And there's the resin inside. Now all we're gonna do is drill a hole and just tap it in. Hopefully it's dry enough. And then to find the correct drill bit, we're just gonna try and line these up and just try and find something that's suitable size for this main shaft here. And from there, just load it into the drill and start drilling. So this is what we're going to be using to make the threads. And then these, and hopefully you can see that, are going to make the thread. We're going to try and make it straight. And then you're just gonna work your way down. Another test fit. Just gotta remove your stock knob.
Let's focus on communicating, cause I just need the time and place to come close. Send me your location. location that's right. The vibrations I don't need nothing else but you. I sometimes wonder why I fool with you, but this
And there. Boss Coffee Shift Knob. Done. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you can make your own shift knob, but if not, slide into my DMs and I might make one for you. See ya!